Hello folks, welcome to the Tasca Developments Casa Instantanea. It is a 780 square foot folding container house. Now it is not made from shipping containers, as the name would suggest. It is actually comes inside a 40-foot container and folds out. The wings on the side of the building fold out on both sides of the house, giving a house that is around about 20 feet wide and 39 feet long. This is the spacious living room. Comes with an electrical outlet on the wall for a TV up in the corner. Comes with all the electrical outlets throughout the house. Plenty of room for the dining table. Comes with a pre-cut kitchen. The kitchen just slides into place. It is pre-cut, so everything including the granite countertops are all pre-cut. You just put them into place and urethane the splashback on. Comes with the sink, comes with the tapware, comes with all the plumbing for the sink, even comes with the glue for the plumbing. All the electrical is done. This is the electrical panel. All the breakers are in place and it's correctly wired. Fully equipped bathroom, comes with a shaver cabinet, basin, cabinets underneath, toilet, and a well-equipped shower. It's a very spacious shower. Comes with three different shower heads. Comes with this one, and this one. Give you a pretty good choice while you're having a shower. This is the smaller of the two rooms. Pretty spacious. Plenty of room for a king bed with nightstands and a closet if you wanted to put one in. The windows are double pane windows and come with screens. You can choose between the higher windows like this or full length ceiling to floor windows if you like. The solar system that comes standard with the Casa Instantanea is a 10 kilowatt inverter and 3 lithium ion batteries. More than enough to run a 1-ton air conditioner all day, every day, and not have to worry about, if you're in a dusty environment, dust coming into the house. Keep it comfortable. Now, seeing that as the Casa Instantanea has a R value of 100 and a concrete block house or a concrete house in Baja has an R value of 4. 4 means that after 4 hours, sun on the outside will be radiating on the inside of the walls. A R value of 100 means that the sun on the outside of the building would take 100 hours before you'd feel it on the inside. Given that there's only 24 hours in the day and around 12 hours of sunlight, it's very unlikely that you're going to get any heat transfer into the building, including the fact that you've got double pane windows keeping the heat out as well. So be a very easy house to keep cool in the summer with a very small air conditioner. Bedroom number 2 is larger, easily fit a king bed in there, nightstands, and a closet or whatever else you'd want to put in there as well. Doors are metal doors with handles and locks. The walls are made out of an aluminum composite panel. It's aluminum on the inside and the outside, and in between is polystyrene foam. And this gives it its great R value, and it gives a long-lasting finish. The outside of the house you can choose from many types of finishes, from a brick style, a wood log cabin style. This one in particular, we just got the standard to show people what the standard finish is. So that's it, folks. Any questions on the Casa Instantanea, we can answer for you. From the time of ordering, takes about 15 to 30 days to be constructed, and we're about 2 to 2.5 months shipping, and then it takes around 3 to 5 days, depending on whether you've got a solar system to be installed or not, for the whole house to be set up on your lot.